What's up, bullish friends? Hope you guys are doing well out there today. And I want to get this video out, but first I want to apologize because I really needed to get this information to you guys this morning, but I've had a couple of crazy days here, and I've been not able to make the content that I want to make recently. So I'm getting it out now. So I want to tell you about this, and actually, this is probably going to save you some money in the long run, the fact that I'm getting this out now rather than this morning anyway. So if you don't know yet, Jennyco, which I am a huge fan of, and I believe in the long haul for this token and for this entire, basically this entire ecosystem, has launched their token on MEXC and at Uniswap. Now, if you're not familiar with Jennyco, I'm going to put a link to my video talking about Jennyco below, where I break it down in a little more detail. But it basically is allowing you, what this token does is allows you to take control of your healthcare data. And basically you join this, you submit your data, your DNA anonymously, and then you basically earn Jennyco tokens back for yourself. That's basically how the ecosystem works. And you'll get health updates. You'll also get like recommendations and things like that. So it basically is a way to get control of your health, live a better life, and get paid while doing it, because the healthcare market sells your data anyway. So you may as well rent your data out there anonymously so you can at least profit from it. So that's basically what Jennyco is all about. Now, what this release is they've actually launched their token to the public. So now, again, you can get this on MEXC or you can get it on Uniswap. Now, MEXC is a centralized platform where you can get this, and Uniswap, if you're not familiar, is a decentralized platform. So let me show you Uniswap real quick, because Uniswap is really easy to navigate. But basically, when you first get the Uniswap, you're just going to go to Swap, and you need to connect your MetaMask wallet, and then you need to be on the Polygon chain here because it uses Matic to transact here. So if you're on Ethereum, it won't work. You need to be on Polygon. So you have to make sure you have Matic tokens in your wallet. I'm not going to connect mine right now, but you need to have Matic tokens in your wallet, even if you're using other tokens on the Polygon chain. You can use any of these tokens, but you got to have a little bit of Matic so you can at least do the transaction. Okay. Now, what you need to do is down here is select your token, and you need to paste in the contract for Jennyco. Okay. I'm going to paste this in and select Jennyco or JCO, and that pulls up, and now you can transact with it. So let's say you wanted to buy some Jennyco tokens, and you wanted to buy 5,000 tokens. Okay. You can buy it right here, right now, and it will tell you. You can just say, I want to buy this. This is how much Matic you need, and this is how much in dollars that would cost you. And the transaction fees on Polygon are pretty cheap, so you're not going to spend a ton of money doing this. Anyway, that's one way to do this. I will link to this, and again, you can get it on MEXC. Now, here's why I'm glad I didn't tell you guys about this morning after all. So once it launched, it does practically what it always does during a launch. And it goes up, it shoots up, and then it goes down when people are selling. So now I believe people who were in on the pre-launch could sell their tokens here. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I do believe pre-launch folks could sell. So you see a bunch of people come in, and then you see the sales happen, and then the price drops. So it happens at almost every launch I've ever seen this way, where it floods in and then people sell and make profit and get out, or they don't believe in the project long term, or they just are looking to make some quick money and then they'll get back in down here. Okay, so that is why I'm glad I didn't get to talk to you about this morning, although if I did tell you, I would have told you not to buy yet. Now, I already own like 10,000 of these tokens. I'll probably be buying more, especially down where it's at now. So that's just what I'm doing. I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but I do believe in this platform long term. I love what they're doing, and I love the fact that eventually they will move everything over to the Constellation network, so which is a feeless network, and there's going to be a lot of good stuff coming from that. They can handle massive quantities of data. So anyway, I just want to let you guys know all the links will be down below to everything you need to get this token if you want to get in. Again, now may be a good time to get in, but again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you at this price point, this doesn't bother me at all. So that's all I got for now, guys. More videos coming soon. Love you guys. See you in the next video.